Yeah, yeah. Money to blow and hoes to show. And boy, you know, just let me know. I pull up on your block with that.
I'm gonna take this off.
Big block up in my Wildcat 240.
This is a governed coil. And I got another one coming that's just a stock coil, so we're gonna leave that off.
Building a Wildcat 240. Building a Wildcat 240. Building a Wildcat 240. Building a Wildcat 240. Yeah, building a Wildcat 240. That ain't your money, bro. Put that away. That's in the bank. It's not there to stay. I got that shit stuffed in the safe. You know I gotta make sure that my mama's straight. I got some little ones that look up to me. I got a queen that I put on the throne. She don't like drama and she don't like drama. And she don't like stress, so I leave it alone. They love me in San Diego.
You see the deck height is a little low on this one, so I got the piston and rod kit from Studs to make sure that the deck height is flush.
Put a Wildcat 240 on the back of a Sprinter, hit the studio and come back bustin'. Yo, yo, yo. Building a Wildcat 240. Building a Wildcat 240. Building a Wildcat 240.
We're gonna put some Champion rockers in there, and we're gonna port the head real nice. One thing I noticed about this head is it's already port matched from the factory, and this side, the exhaust side, is super smooth in there. There's no edge like you know, like a Predator where you gotta, you know, plane that down or whatever, or grind it down. This one, I think I'm just gonna leave it. I mean, you know, if I can always port it later. We're gonna get the piston and rod out and get the billet stuff in there, and we'll button her all back up. So here's the other piston, and here's the new one. It's pretty sweet looking, really lightweight. I'm surprised. And we'll put this in with the new rod, and this isn't an arc. This is from Studs. It's something else. So EC, it's an EC rod. So you got your oil ring, okay, which is a waffle looking one. You should have two skinny ones and a couple fat ones. The two skinny ones go with the oil ring, the two fat ones go by themselves. But these ones from Studs don't have, okay, there's some kind of lettering on this one. So if there's lettering or a silver edge, that goes upward. Okay, so we finally got that one in there. I'm gonna drown her in some oil here. This has a 1 and 2 on it. I'm gonna guess 2 is this one, and this is the top one. You'll see there's a little writing. This one has a 2, that one has a 1. Again, we'll start with our edge in there. Just kind of bring her around. Like that. Now you gotta look where your rings are. So I think we're good with this one. Maybe like right here.
I just built a Wildcat. Now my friends are on my ass. Like, where'd you get that Wildcat? From the Wildcats. The Wildcat. Yeah. I built the Wildcat, the 240. Now the world wanna be my shorty. I don't wanna have a baby.
That's how you do that. This is my first billet side cover, so pretty. So I ended up putting a big block clones intake on and putting a PWK nibby on there so I could tune out the top end. I put a 28 on there probably because I'm gonna try some alcohol. I still gotta make a pipe. These are the things I added to the engine. Was of course the carb, the valve cover, which that's gonna get powder coated. Flywheel, I put the studs flush deck height kit, the piston and rod in here, which did flush out the deck height. I added the billet side cover, and that's about it. Everything else came with it, like the cam 265's got a Bonsai 265. I put champion rockers in it. I don't know if I said that. Comes with 26-pound springs with fancy red aluminum retainer. Come with the Bonsai. So this is a 240. Hopefully she's pretty ballsy.